Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Sticks, written and illustrated by Danny Albert. The story begins on a hot summer day when a cold tasty treat began melting away. It was so very hot and it happened so quick that what once was a popsicle stick was now a stained stick. Deep in a puddle that was getting quite sticky, this sad little stick cried and felt rather icky. I should have not gone out when it was too hot. I was sweet and amazing, but now I am not. What can I do? This has all gone so wrong. I'm just a plain stick. Oh, where do I belong? Then Stick heard a voice from way up in a tree. Hello down there, you can come hang with me. I couldn't have helped hearing what you have been through. My name is Twig, and I'm made out of wood too. Please do not cry, and just listen to me. Before a sweet popsicle, you were part of a tree. There's so much in this world for you to go to explore. You will get through this and be more than before. Twig quickly jumped down from the very tall tree and said, Stick, there's something I'd like you to see. Sometimes things happen and there are reasons that aren't clear, but give it some time and answers appear. She knew her friend Pencil could draw something grand. Hopefully he could help Stick understand. Once I was a stick too, and nothing much more. Then one special day I got a gray core. But I didn't know how to draw, so I swirled a nice line. Then I discovered I made a design. Kinda rhymes. You are amazing! Can't you see? I'm just a stained stick. My only talent is melting too quick. I cannot draw or do a fun trick. I'll always be just an icky, sticky stick. Twig knew she needed to show Stick even more. Something amazing that he could not ignore. So they went to see Brush. He was once lost too, but now he could paint with red, yellow, and blue. Brush was a plain stick and nothing much more. But one special day, he got bristles galore. Look at him now. Look at all that he can do. He easily made a fun splattered crew. It is true, Twig. It is true what Twig said. I was once like you. Please don't be afraid or to try something new. I know you are scared. I can tell by your face, but it might take some time to find the right place. I think this is a rhyming book as well. We believe you! We believe in you. Can't you see? I'm just a stained stick. My only talent was melting away too quick. I can't paint or do a fun trick. I'll always be an icky, sticky stick. Listen to me. You are pretty great. Don't say I can't, say I can. And celebrate. I know you have not been a plain stick much before. You have a chance now to be something much more. Twig saw the stick was still very upset. So she thought they should go back where they first met, back at the sweet puddle and sugary glue. Twig thought Stick might find a good clue. Then Twig looked up. It's been there all day. That little stick house could be where you belong. Twig was excited. She ran up the tree and shouted to Stick, Hurry up, follow me. Stick couldn't believe Twig had climbed up so high. I've never climbed a tree. I'm too scared to try. Just then a bluebird flew down to the ground and lifted Stick up without making a sound. The bird placed him gently in that last open space. Finally, Stick found his new happy place. This is where I belong. I can make art in a tree. It was quite a journey, but I'm glad to be me. Stick never forgot that one hot summer day, and was glad that his popsicle stick melted away. He made some true friends and beautiful tree art. He learned and learn it's never too late to have a fresh start.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!